Hi guys, right now I'll show you how to replace the third brake light in Chevrolet Express or GMC Savana. You will need the Phillips head screwdriver. You will have to remove two bolts. The removal is very straightforward. And now you will be able to remove the lamp assembly. And inside you will see two light bulbs. To remove the bulb, you simply need to turn this connector counterclockwise, and this is our bulb. Pull it out like this, and this is 9/12 size of the bulb. Install the new one the same way. First insert the bulb and then insert the connector and turn clockwise. As for the second one, removal is the same and the bulb is the same, 9/12. When you reinstall the lamp assembly, make sure that these two red guides in the back of the assembly get into their places, and then you'll be able to insert the whole assembly. Screws go back in. Moderate torque. And our replacement is complete.